Good afternoon, everybody. So, can you hear me, everybody? Augusto, I think you are sharing something. Okay. So we are okay. Let's put me this screen bigger. Okay. So, good afternoon, everybody. We are just about to finish our congress, but we don't want to say goodbye without giving prizes to everybody. And we have here with us Professor Augusto Souza, is the Vice Dean for Pedagogical Affairs, and he's going to lead us into the victory of those who got the best posters and best communications. And at the end, we're going to have final videos on the pitch contest. Augusto, the
minute, last second with the sound. I'm sorry for that. My name is Augusto Souza. I am the Vice Dean for Pedagogical Affairs in field. Many of you already know me. And let me start with a few words, general words about the conference. I believe that at this moment we can say that it was a very successful conference. Thank you to the organizers of the conference. Thank you to the organizers of the symposia. Thank you to the authors, to the students that have been here presenting their works. So I would say that this is a very good initiative and an initiative to be maintained in the future. The numbers, the figures about the number of papers, number of presentations, etc., will be given later by my colleague João Pedro. It was a massive, I would say, a massive participation of students in this congress, and I would say that it was useful, especially because students are with this able to see other examples, to see other students, to see other ways to present things, other ways to study, to research, etc. I would summarize this in enlarging critical mass around you, around your work, around your colleagues, open your horizons, and also increase your networking. And let me say that PhDs are nowadays, many times, transversal works. You are not working only in one area. You have with your attention in all the areas around, because sometimes you should import some ideas from other areas to your own area. So under these ideas, under this situation, a large number of students participating and exchanging ideas, showing themselves, seeing others, etc. I would say that from this point of view, every student is, every participating person is, everyone is already a winner. Okay, a winner because he was here participating in the conference. However, we have some to nominate that have been, let's say, a little better than the rest ones. Okay, and this is what I am doing here, nominating the awards of this conference. Let me share my screen so I can share, so I can show you my slides. Okay, I believe that you are now seeing my slides. This is generated. So we are in the awards session, and we have, it's better to use this because I don't want automatic change. We have 11 symposia in this conference, in this congress, And each symposium was free to decide what type of awards to nominate. We have here best oral communications, best presentations, like let's say, best poster presentations, best abstracts, best short papers. It depends on the symposia, as you will see. So 11 symposia with several person by symposia. So it's a big group of persons. So I will only tell the names of the person and congratulate those persons for these awards. So for the first symposium in the list, Symposium of Biomedical Engineering, I would like to congratulate Anna Spencer for the best oral communication and João Pedro Cotovilho for the best poster presentation. Thank you very much. Congratulations for both. For the chemical and biological engineering, we have gold, silver, and bronze awards, first for the posters and after that for the oral communications. We have in the gold poster award José Barbosa, in the silver poster communication Patrícia Ramalho, and in the bronze poster communication Marisa Gomes. Congratulations to all the three. In the oral communications, we have a gold award for Pedro Valgode, the silver oral communication for Liliana Gonçalves, and the bronze oral communication for Pedro Pacheco. Congratulations for all the six from this symposium. In the civil engineering and spatial planning, we have a Best Oral Communication Award, in this case for Gustavo Lopes dos Santos. And we have also two honorable mentions, in this case for João Pedro Martins and for Mariana Piso Diniz and João Pedro Martins, Álvaro Costa and Paulo Soares, and for Mariana Piso Diniz and Miguel Serra. For all of them, also my congratulations. For the electrical and computer engineering symposium, we have a Best Abstract Award for Vinícius Silva, Filomena Soares, and João Sena Esteves, and a Best Presentation Award for Sérgio Vinha, Luís Tiago Paiva, and Fernando Fontes. Congratulations for all. Let's continue. Engineering on physics, or physics engineering, a Best Poster Award, a Best Poster and Presentation Award for Rita Veloso, and a Best Oral Communication Award, ex aequo, for the two students, David José Gaspar Marques and Kátia Rodrigues. Congratulations for all of them. Environmental engineering, a Best Poster Presentation ex aequo for Philip Rocha and for Juliana Sá, and a Best Oral Communication also ex aequo for Telmo Lopes and for Rita Dias. Congratulations for all the four. Material Science and Engineering, a Best Oral Communication Award for Luísa Fialho, and the Best Poster Award for João Cardoso. Also the Best Short Paper Award for Bruno Oliveira. 3 awards in this case. Congratulations for all the 3 students. Mechanical Engineering, a Best Oral Communication Award, in this case for Daniel Espírito Santo Rodrigues. Congratulations to Danielle. Mining and Georesources Engineering, Best Student Oral Communication for Elga Jourdan, and Best Student Poster Presentation for Ana Pinto. Congratulations for the both. Occupational Health and Safety, a Best Poster for Jeanne Souza, and a Best Oral Communication for Filipa Esteves. Congratulations for both. Transport Systems, Best Short Paper, Claudio Lombardi, Anurada Anaswamy e Luís Picado Santos. Best Presentation for Luís Leal Pinho de Moraes. Congratulations for all of them. Thank you very much. And finished the symposium, the awards for the authors, presentations, etc. We have now the case of 3 minutes elevator pitch contest. We had 29 participants in the workshop at the beginning. We had actually 2 workshops, and resulting from both workshops, there were 18 videos that were evaluated. From these 18, 13 have been posted in the YouTube. So we had the opportunity to vote publicly in these 13 final videos. The classification of the video should take into account the form, how the video has been mounted, conducted, the clarity, and the creativity. Okay, clarity is more on the case on how it was successful in transmitting the ideas, and creativity, it's what we have every day in doing everything, let's say. There was a final jury also classifying other videos, so we have 2 types of awards, and these are the best pitch that was the best pitches that were chosen by the jury were Mali Mercel and Katia Domingues. The best pitch that was chosen by the audience directly from the YouTube public quotation is the pitch from Luisa Almeida. I don't know if I am able to show the videos. I will try.
Good morning, everyone. We often hear about catalysis or catalysts that are used in the industry. But are these compounds really important or really necessary nowadays? My name is Mali Mershur, PhD student in the Inorganic Photochemistry Department, Hungary, currently working on hydrogen production using different types of catalysts. And today I will give you some insights about this topic and, of course, help you have a final answer for this question. As most of you may already know, a catalyst is a compound, or let's say something, that is used in order to accelerate a chemical reaction without being used up, but still taking part in this reaction. It offers an alternative pathway by reducing the binding energy between the atoms and making it easier to form the desired product. It works the exact opposite way of an inhibitor that slows the reaction. It is often used in several industries like polymers, fertilizers, because since the reaction is 1 million times faster, of course, the production would be 1 million times more. But what's really interesting is that catalysis is everywhere. It's in our food, detergents, cars, post-it notes, even the solution that we use to clean our lenses. But I think there is something more important about catalysis. See, the phenomenon of life. Life would hardly be possible without those biological catalysts called enzymes, which I'm sure you're familiar with. So, to conclude, we can simply say that indeed, catalysts are what makes the world go round, as they say, not only because it ensures the phenomenon of life, but also because it can help us save up time and money by accelerating some industrial processes and offering cleaner energy and technology, and a mass production of some compounds that are extremely important for our society. Like I said, our food, detergents, cars, everything. As a wise man said once, chemistry without catalysis would be like a sword without a handle, a light without a brilliance, and a bell without a sound. Thank you.
Uh, Congratulations to Mali Mersel. Are we now going? Now we are going to the next video. That is
Hi, well, I think the best way to talk with you about my project is to tell you how I came up with the idea. A few years ago, I met Andre, who is a nice entrepreneur with a promising future starting his startup. He has a nice family too, with his wife and 2 lovely sons. However, with this currently pandemic situation, his startup has started to decline and he lost a lot of money. As a consequence, he started to drink a lot and smoke. Some months later, he went to the hospital and he was diagnosed with oral cancer. Oral cancer presents high morbidity and also poor survival rate. Therefore, his family dreams, were completely disrupted. Consequently, Andre's history inspired me, and I remembered Marie Curie's sentence that says, "Nothing in life is to be feared, it is only to be understood." Therefore, I started to think about a way to help Andre. So, the aim of this project is based on the development of a nanotechnology platform targeted to oral cancer. Nanotechnology is a recent constant with an expected world market rate of 17% until 2027. But how does it? With this nanotechnology, it is possible to incorporate conventional treatments, ligands, and lights, which together can improve diagnosis, treatment, and control the disease progression, the so-called theranostics. And how is it good for the patient? Do you remember that we can also add a ligand? These ligands are suitable for a targetable drug release to cancer cells, which can reduce the side effects associated with the conventional treatments. And we are also working for a personalized patient treatment perspective. And how is it good for the health sector? This nanosystem has a controlled release profile, so Andre can go to the hospital only once a month to receive the treatment and stay at home with his family with more quality of life. Moreover, as he spends fewer time at the hospital, it can help also to reduce the costs on the health sector. So, do you remember Andre? Do you believe in fairy tales? With this research, I really believe that we can translate a fairy tale into reality, making sure that cancer patients like Andre and his family live happily ever after. Thank you very much. Keep safe. Hi.
Congratulations to Katia Domingos. Nice video also, and we are now going for the third one, Luisa Almeida.
When you are looking for a food product, are you concerned about food safety? Let's get to know some important concepts about food preservation. My name is Eloisa, I'm a PhD student, and I want to discuss one of the biggest challenges to the food industry, which is guaranteeing food quality and safety. In this scenario, we have the use of food additives that can be synthetic or natural additives, where the synthetic ones are often related to undesirable effects, such as the carcinogenic potential and toxicity, being the natural ones a green and safe alternative, where hydrosols emerge as strong candidates for this purpose as they present relevant characteristics as antimicrobial agents. Following this logic, let's imagine that food is subject to an inefficient or inadequate preservation method, creating good conditions to the development of microorganisms, which will promote the food spoilage and foodborne illnesses, and in some cases, even death. For example, if some product as meat, bread, or cheese present a different color or smell before the expiration date, we already know that something is wrong with that product or with the applied method. Thus, it's crucial to find new, eco-friendly, and safe preservation methods, such as the use of nature preservatives, to prevent the development of these microorganisms. Aerosols are byproducts of the essential oil production, being usually discarded. And because of their bioactive properties and safe characteristics, they have aroused interest, and their valorization also constitutes a sustainable approach for waste reduction. Recent studies have shown that hydrosols have in their composition components with bioactivities, such as antimicrobial and antioxidant activities, giving them these characteristics. Along different application areas, they can be used as an alternative to the essential oil itself, which is considered toxic for some food applications. So hydrosol could be applied in yogurts or ice creams, for example, to increase their shelf life. In this way, the use of this natural byproduct arises as an innovative alternative for food preservation. Did you imagine that there was so much science and technology concerning food safety? Now that you learned natural alternatives to protect food, from the raw material to the final product, you can choose better.
Okay. So congratulations also for Luisa. Congratulations for all the three winners in the 3-minute elevator pitch contest. Dear students, dear participants, my time is finishing. I would like to take one more minute to say how happy I am for seeing this success in this conference and see that the work of our students is in a good way so they can attain their PhD. So my last vote is for you all, the students that have been part of this congress. My votes for a big success during your PhD that is continuing, is working, and even more, the best success for after the PhD in a professional situation. Thank you very much, and permit me to ask you all a big applause for all the students that actually participated in this conference. Electronically, with your physical hands, a big applause for all of them.
Thank you, Augusto. May I just join in the applause and also to give not only a warming welcome to everybody, but to say that it was tough to choose. Sorry, you were not listening to me, perhaps. But it was
Yeah,
tough.
yeah.
Okay, it was tough to choose best something. And okay, what is Anna is complaining? Okay, somebody is on the floor raising their hands. Why is not? Oh, Anna is complaining. Okay, give me a. I'm going. I think I need to reboot my floor as well. Okay, give me a second. Can you hear me? Okay. So sorry. So I was just saying that thank you, August, for the fantastic words you had. Indeed, just to highlight your same message that it was really great job from great work. And although there are prizes, I think the quality was so high that there were so many execos and so many third and honorable places. And also for the pitch contest to say the quality was really high, and we were really impressed by how much people gave their efforts to produce very good videos. And I don't want to say more than that. Just congratulations to all the participants and for the excellence in the work. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the Congress. I hope don't leave. Just stay for the next session. We're going to have a next minister with us, a member of the European Parliament with us, and she deserves a nice audience as well. And so I hope she doesn't get delayed and that we can see each other in about 15 minutes. So stay tuned. I'm going to move everyone to the next session is already open, and I hope that you can enjoy the rest of the week of the afternoon with us. Thank you very much, Augusto. Thank you very much. I'm going to move everybody to the other session. Please wait about 10, 50 minutes for our guest to arrive. Oh, somebody's asking for something. I see one raised hand, but I don't know how to put the hand. I don't see. I'm having troubles to raise the hands. Okay. Uh, oh, yes, I know it's in Kushner. Yes, I know that. But somehow it's not working for me. Let me try to figure that out. Hi guys. So at the end of the ceremony, I'm stuck without working. Sorry guys. I'm going to try to fix this.
I believe that at the end, the key F5 in every keyboard is in danger.
Yeah. But somehow I don't know why it's not showing up. Let me see what was wrong. We crashed the system. We were too many. Too many, too good. Okay, the person raising the hand can perhaps raise it again so I can see it. Okay. So nobody's raising the hand. Okay. Okay. it doesn't seem we have a raise. Okay, guys, so it doesn't seem that we survived. That's true. That's true. Yes, it is true. It is true. We had. Okay, sorry for I don't know. So nobody's raising the hand, so I can't see who's the person now. So that's true. That's a great remarks. It was really we had really a big support team from from many PhD students that did help organize the Congress, and this is part of the objective of the Congress is that people can learn how to go through such a complex event, and that's a fantastic remark. Thank you, Arminda, for that. Okay, okay, so I'm going to change you to the next session then. Thank you very much. Augusto, thank you for your time.
Thank you.